Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be installing WordPress on a XAMPP local server. Yes, WordPress is a content management system that can be used to build a blog or a website. So to begin with, go to your browser and then type Google. Then on Google, just type WordPress download, and wordpress.org/download will give you the link to download WordPress. So you can pick up the latest version and then ask you where to store it on your system. Then you can pick the location and begin to download. I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it again. But if I were to download it afresh, I will have just clicked save, but I'm going to cancel because I already have it. Alright, so I haven't done with the downloading of WordPress. All I need to do is to extract it, unzip the folder, and get it back into the location. Yes, the process of unzipping can take maybe a couple of seconds. Then also, when you have the WordPress like this, so you have the folder that is WordPress, you need to navigate straight to your C, and then on your C there is a folder called XAMPP. Previously, in the previous lesson, we actually installed XAMPP. So under the XAMPP folder, when you open it, you look for a folder called XAMPP, and that XAMPP, that's where you will be dropping the WordPress folder, the unzipped folder. But you can also change the name of that folder to the name of the site that you are building at the moment. So I will be using website. For this tutorial, I will be using website. So after that, you just copy that folder or you move it into the XAMPP folder in your XAMPP under C. Alright, so paste it there and then you are ready to roll. Okay, the movement of the folder is completed already. So now you head back to your browser. Let's look at what we've done so far. And if you go to your browser and you type localhost, it's not showing the landing page. The reason is because our XAMPP is not yet on. We've not put on the Apache and also MySQL. So always make sure you put on your Apache and your MySQL. So we'll head back to the same place where we were before, and then we'll reload. Now, okay, so this is the landing page, giving you the welcome to XAMPP and what have you, and all the things that you need to know. So you head on to phpMyAdmin. There you can have access to create database, to manage databases, and many other things, to assign privileges to database and all of that. So you want to create a database because for us to use content management system, we need a database. So I'm going to be creating one using website as the name of the database, then assign privileges to it. I will just go ahead and assign all the privileges, grant all the privileges. Okay, make sure all the boxes are checked, and then you're going to look for the database. This is actually the privilege for the root user. Okay, make sure all the boxes are checked. Check all and then click go. When you have done that, you have assigned the privilege, the root privilege, to the database we've just created, which is a website. Then let's quickly move to localhost / the name of our website, which is in the XAMPP in our XAMPP folder. So by the time you launch, this is what it will display. Not to worry, it's not a big deal. So what you just need to do is to just click on the WordPress there, and then it will take a couple of minutes just to roll everything out for you. So this is how the installation of the WordPress begins. Yours might take few moments to start, but not to worry, mine is also taking few moments to start. So it is normal for it to be like this. Okay, now we have the first page, and the first page is asking us which language do we want to use for the WordPress, and then of course English is the primary language here, so I'm using English. So this time is saying that we need to get all the information ready, and for the database we created is website. The username is the root, and of course there is no password, so we didn't put password there. And the database host is local host, and also the prefix. I don't like changing it, so I leave it that way. That's good. So the next page give information about the site. So I want to call it my first website. Okay, and then I will put a username, of course. The username, whatever username I want, I can put that. Then also I will have to use password. Of course, you are advised to use a strong password. It will even suggest to you, but again, you can always make your own password. And if it is not strong enough, you can actually ask it to use it that way, meaning that you are responsible for whatever happened to your database as a result of weak password. Then you need to also enter email address in case you forgot password or something happened, or maybe there is a glitch or an error. You can be sent a mail so that you can trace where the error is coming from, and then being able to resolve the error on time. That's the reason why you want to put the email. After doing that, you just want to click install, and then you start installing. Alright, don't forget the username and the password. Okay, that's finished installation. So we need to enter into the WordPress proper using the username and the password we created while installing the WordPress. I want you to, I don't want to type that all the time, so just log in. Okay, and this is perfect. This is done already. So this is how the interface, the dashboard of WordPress looks like. Okay, this is where you now be you'll be customizing, you'll be adding content, text, graphics. What you have, you'll be adding it to the WordPress site, and then you can actually change appearance. You can add many pages. You can install plugins. You can do whatever. The possibility is endless. It's endless. So this is you installing WordPress, and you want to try it out also. And if you have missed any step, you want to go back and check. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can receive notification when the next video drops. Thank you.